Hello, guys. It's Crypto Tate, and I hope you're having a great day. And I hope the cryptocurrency market will have great days ahead too. So, as we see, Bitcoin is a bit down right now. Well, if you are in the cryptocurrency market, 2%, 3% is not a huge downfall when you can have something like 8% or 10% in one day. We see that IOTA is falling about 8% today has fallen, and Bitcoin has fallen about 2 point what the fuck is this? Okay. And we see that Bitcoin has fallen about 2.75%. It's now about 7700, and it's looking pretty good, I think so. Till the new year, I think that Bitcoin will reach about 10,000. I think that is possible. I think that this was a double bottom right here, and it slowly grew through the few past days. As you see that it grew back, it consolidated, it grew steadily again, consolidated, grew back again, and now it's consolidating. And I think that we will see a lot of money going into Bitcoin. What about before the New Year's? It's kind of crazy, but I think that the world just came to the world came to the point that we give investments. Yes, I think that that is true. I think that some people, not many people, but people who are in money, who are, who are in financial industry, they will buy Bitcoin as a present. I know that sounds crazy, but that uh, you will see that about in the end of next month, the price the price will just rise so much. I think it will be over 10,000. Yes, that's my expectation for Bitcoin right now. About Ethereum, not so much. It's it's looking like it's gonna stay at the price. Maybe it will reach 400, but I'm not expecting more for Ethereum right now. And let's look at the markets. Well, we see that half and half, Ethereum USD, Ethereum Korean. Yeah, so Koreans are trying to buy more Ethereum. So the price, I mean, if Koreans will just sell their Bitcoin Cash and go for Ethereum to rise the price of it, so that's kind of funny. I think so. Koreans are well, we see that Koreans are dominating the Bitcoin Cash. The price falled, and they jumped right back on Bitcoin Cash. And we see that today in 24 hours, $1,400,000,000 just went into Bitcoin Cash just from Koreans. And the second spot is also Koreans, 300 millions. And also we have the sixth spot, also Koreans, 200 million. So Koreans are really expanding the cryptocurrency market. And I actually have really big expectations for Litecoin. Right now it's about $67, but I think Litecoin will have a big year in 2008. And speaking about cryptocurrency market, I think that cryptocurrency market next year and the year after that will rise shockingly high. I don't know what will happen when the stock market crashes, when the real estate market crashes. The Some people may expect for Bitcoin to rise even more at that time, but I don't think so. Maybe people will put their investments and money into Bitcoin, so the price might rise, but a lot of people might just take the money out because they will need to live off of it. So it's a controversial thing. Yeah, but I am seeing a really uptrend for the cryptocurrency market in 2008 and 2019. I don't know if this is a bubble. I don't really think so, because the blockchain technology is revolutionary. It's something that could change the world right now. And of course we see uh, some coins like Ripple who are centralized, and we will see some. Okay, it's my phone, sorry about that. And I think that government will chop into it and will tax it, maybe even more than our normal investments, because the volatility is so high. But we have to see about it, what it happens in the future. But the future looks bright right now. And I mean, if people are thinking that Bitcoin Cash will take over Bitcoin, it won't. It really won't. Bitcoin is the store of value right now, and I think it will be store of value. That's why I'm not really mad that the transactions cost a bit more, because we not look at Bitcoin as cash. We look at Bitcoin like a better gold, a 21st century gold, something like that, just in a technology way. And at Bitcoin Cash, people may view it as a coin that you can pay for your coffee. Ripple is looked at a faster transaction coin for the banks. And I saw it even in Europe and in USA. I don't know about Asia. Maybe in Asia they don't use Ripple, but Ripple is used daily right now. And Dash 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 grew a bit from 300 to 450 right now, and the future might be bright for Dash. And I think that Bitcoin Bitcoin Cash is not a rival to Bitcoin. I think that Dash is the real rival for Bitcoin Cash, because if you think about digital cash, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, they are thinking about the same people. They want the people to use Bitcoin for transactions. They don't want people to use their coins as a store of value. I don't know, maybe some do. I think that many people will hodl right now. So for this time, maybe it is a store of value. But in the long term, Bitcoin will be the number one store of value. As we see, the BTC dominance right now has fallen to 55.4%. And it's not just because, well, the Koreans flew in a lot of money into Bitcoin Cash and other coins, other altcoins. And the thing is, I think when in November, when the November 1st, I think the market cap was about 200 billion. Now it's 30 billion more. to 24-hour volume, 10 billion. The market is rising so fast. It's it's hard to even think about it. And I did some research, and I believe that 2018 will be the year that market cap will go over 1000 billion. Even it may reach 2000 billion. That's the growth people are expecting. And that's why when you look at Bitcoin and people see $8,000, they don't really think that it's too much for it. They think that it will be 10 times worth more. Maybe not next year, but maybe in 5 years later. And that's an investment that people are willing to give their money for. So I'm really, really positive about this. And just looking at top 10 of the coins, that's they take so much of the market cap. It's even hard to believe. But the thing is, new coins are coming out, ICOs, and people are jumping in, like something like Electronium. Let's see where it is. Okay, where it is? Well, where is Electronium? Oh, the next thing I really want to talk about is Power Ledger. I love Power Ledger, and I'm gonna show a bit of it.
Are you a boy?
No, powerledger.io. Okay, let's see their website and what they talk about. It's the company is from Branson, the billionaire who created the Virgin Company. So yeah, welcome to the Talking Generation event, empowering a power system that is resilient. Okay. Okay. So yeah, the one thing that we look at it and we see the professionality. Different languages are people from different countries can read the white paper. They don't have to know English. The thing is, technology is evolving so fast. People won't need to know English. People don't won't need to use Google Translator. In the future, th- every website will have every language if they're professional about it. And we see that the coins are going for that. They want the full market that they can get. And Power Ledger, I think, is really underwhelmed right now. And the thing is with Power Ledger, they're really trying to not revolutionize, but introduce electricity usage to more people than, let's just say, cars. A lot of people know that cars are electric vehicles too. And Power Ledger is trying to go to the next level, like Tesla is. I know that they just um yesterday or the day before they came out with the new Roadster and the new electric truck, and I think that Tesla is doing a great job. Not just Elon Musk, but the thing is, a lot of people will lose jobs just because of Tesla. The, but when you think about the other thing, the roads will be safer, and I'm willing to take that because a lot of people die just because of the truck drivers, and in my country especially. So yeah, Power Ledger. We believe empowering individuals and communities to co-create their energy future will underpin the development of a power system that is resilient, low cost, zero carbon, and owned by the people of the world. An energy revolution, human energy. It's a really interesting thing. I think that, and when you see that they have a roadmap to 2019 third quarter, and that's a really long time in crypto. Human energy. Let's see what they write about that. Energy trading between citizens brings humanity to energy system. Instead of faceless traders hedging their positions, citizen utility return preference to communities, incentivize community investments in generating assets, and allow the sharing of gifting of energy. Human energy will change the face of the energy system because instead of being focused solely on profits, it will focus on the broader needs of communities, on aspirations for independence and co creation, and the long term sustainability of energy creation and consumption. Power, Power Ledger platform is a trustless, transparent, and interoperable. Oh my god, I don't even know this word. I will have to look it up. Energy trading platform that supports an ever expanding suite of energy applications with an exchangeable, frictionless energy trading token Sparks. The Power Ledger token is the fuel of the Power Ledger ecosystem, with bespoke private trading applications creating Sparks in exchange for power. Sparks are currently purchased and redeemed using fiat currencies like dollar and euro, with individual trading platforms hosting closed loop exchanges for energy and sparks. Energy trading applications are not just conceptual, they are proven and deployed in communities and energy markets around the world, including Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Asia, and such as Power Peers. Achievements. So yeah, you can look at achievements. 2017 third quarter, first electric vehicle trading platform to begin operations imminently in a partnership with Synergy Western Australia and Western Australia's state-owned retailer Power Ledger has developed and will deploy Australia's first blockchain trading environment for electric vehicle charging. So yeah, they will. I think that Power Ledger is looking more on the big picture, to the big picture. Projects in development. Third quarter, in agreements with multiple property developers. A Tier 1 national retailer. An international PPA focused solar provider. So yeah, they're really they really want to use the solar, and they are using the solar energy, and they will provide it. Fourth quarter, that is right now, a regulatory transmission and distribution operator, multiple microgrid transaction management products. So yeah, as we see that this is a real big project, and I think that you should look at this white paper and just look into it. It's a really good investment. It's not my advice for your investment, but I will put my money into it, definitely, because this is what I want to see. I want to see the world change for the better, and I think that Power Ledger is going for it. So yeah, that's about it. And as we see, the price keeps going up, and I mean, it's underpriced right now. Of course, there are so many tokens, but it's so undervalued when you think that on a bigger scale, Power Ledger, it's, oh my god, it's revolutionary. It's something that it's really useful for the world. That's why I'm so emotional about it. And I'm even more emotional about it than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a store of value, okay. That's nothing to be emotional. I think that it will rise, it will be a good store of value. But when you think about a project, I think that Power Ledger is the one that you should really consider looking into. And I really love the uh, Monero coin, and I also think that it is undervalued. Because a lot of people don't want to see their money for other people to track what they send. They don't want other people to see their money, and of course this can be used for illegal reasons. But despite that, if you value your privacy, and I think that a lot of people value it, I think that you will believe in this coin too. And it is rising. It rose today 4.24%. And it might have a jump. It might have a jump. And I believe that next year Monero could be maybe 5x of its value right now. Just thinking about the money flowing into the cryptocurrency market, just basing off of that, I do believe that Bitcoin dominance will go down, maybe to 50%. But the thing is that the market will grow so fast and so substantial, you won't even notice that the Bitcoin dominance is just 50%. But the price will be so high that you won't care about the dominance. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you want me to use a webcam or just film myself talking, it's my first video, and if you had a hard time listening to me, well, English is not my first language, so I'll try to be better at it. And I'm not a good speaker. I will try to work on it. So if you have any comments, write down there below, like the video and subscribe, and I hope you will see my next video.